For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot hella. Fast life, don't stop at the red light.
What's good, gang? I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm just finna go crazy. I done got this phone mount. I hope it worked. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try this out until I order one off Amazon, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? We finna go crazy on the back roads real quick. We're gonna see if it's gonna work, you know what I'm saying, for right now until I order one. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, you feel me? God dang. But y'all stay tuned though, man, you feel me? A lot of new content on the way. A lot of new heat on the way. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And to everybody who keep returning, man, I appreciate y'all, man. And for everybody to keep returning and ain't subscribe, man, what are you waiting on? You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let me not tell y'all to subscribe, like, or comment. You know what I'm saying? Can y'all please like, comment, and subscribe? You feel me? That'll help me reach more people and reach more people. You see what I'm saying? So make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all please, please, nigga. Boy, if you don't. Yo, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Because your boy finna go up, man. I got so much content I want to do. You know what I'm saying? But work been killing me, you feel me? So we're going to try to upload this today. Today is Wednesday, you feel me? So we're going to try to upload it today. Hopefully y'all get footage for today. You know what I'm saying? Because I just uploaded something Saturday. So yeah, hopefully y'all get this today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to upload 2 videos for right now. Y'all stay in the loop with everything that's going on because I got so much planned. For the summertime, I already got a crazy idea that I want to do to the car, you feel me? I got a couple miles on the way. A lot of people keep asking me what I have done to the car, so I'm going to do a video talking about what all I got done to the car and all that. So yeah, man, without further ado, y'all stay tuned for this video. Got a cold start, man. I ain't start this up in like almost a week since Saturday. Got a cold start. So y'all really going on? But y'all stop like there's a car in front of me, you know, so I just. Man, that jump be hard. That's what I use, man. I use it right here. So like when I be recording, man, I be goddamn trying to hold it, John, and then try to goddamn maintain the car too. Like the other day, the same day I was recording that footage for y'all, man, I end up hitting my car, bro. That bitch slid, but I had to goddamn I had to switch hands, you know what I'm saying? So I was just recording everybody. I wasn't even going crazy when I dropped that video. I know for a fact that I'm gonna have to get somebody to record me or get one of these. The video ain't gonna be that long though. Let me see. itself is shaking. I'm gonna go back and look at the video, man. I wonder is the video actually gonna be shaky like that? Let's see, man. I got it in track. But yeah, I feel like we're gonna have more fun, man, with these 22s out here, man. I slick wanna go ahead and put my stocks on. Bad for being quiet though, man. That's probably gonna be it for this video. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and appreciate all y'all for showing love and everything. It means a lot. Continue to do that for me. I love y'all.